Is your Nissan Pathfinder's key fob not working from as far away as it used to or working intermittently? This likely indicates a dead battery. For 2019-2024 models, replacing the battery is a simple DIY task. First, gather your tools. You'll need a new CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery, available for $2 to $5 at most retailers like Amazon or auto parts stores, and a small flathead screwdriver or a key fob opening tool, under $10, to pry open the fob without damage. Having these ready makes the process quick and easy. Locate the seam on the side of your Pathfinder's key fob, opposite the buttons. Gently insert your screwdriver or key fob tool into the seam and pry the two halves apart. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery, noting which side is facing up, plus side. Insert the new battery with the plus side facing up. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together securely, ensuring proper alignment. Test the fob to ensure it works. If it still doesn't work, reprogramming at a Nissan dealer may be needed. This DIY replacement can save you $50 to $100 in dealer fees.